What's up, Wheelers? Jason at Carnage 4x4 Adventures here with a tech video. I'm doing a big bore kit again. This time it's just a big bore kit. With some Synergy tie rod and drag link, and it's on a 16 this time, so a 3/6 instead of a 3/8. So let's go start to finish. I haven't taken anything apart yet. Yes. Sensor here, intake air temperature sensor, you get on to it. Sometimes they're really easy, sometimes they're a pain in the butt. So we got this thing off, pull it over here. So the last time we did it, I made custom mounts down underneath. Now they have new directions that came out August of 22. Drill holes in this and put the cooler here. And the lines are already made with fittings on them. I'm just gonna go somewhere like that. So there's a clip right here. Oh. Right there, and then you can just pull the reservoir out. Coolant reservoir. If you ever do a thermostat on one of these, don't use anything but an OEM. Tip of the day. Alternator is coming out. So these belts are a pain in the butt. The tensioners are seriously tensioned. I got a 3-inch extension, long 1/2-inch ratchet. Okay, we're gonna take the power steering pump out. So I haven't done one of these power steering pumps in a bit, but I think we shall pull the inner fender off. Get to it right there. So I forgot these stupid plastic rivets hold the inner fender on, but if you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips, pull this out. Enough to get to the pump. So 1, 2, There's one down there. Pull this bracket off. And then the new one comes with a new bracket, so you don't have to worry about dealing with the pump coming off the bracket. So there's two clips, one there, one up top. We gotta take off. I guess there's just one. Good to go. You know, I'm a dumbass, and I forgot to undo the pressure hose. Now it's going to be a pain in the ass. I'll be back. So I just stuck this pry bar in here, squeeze them together, and I got that loose. You're going to want to lock your wheel straight forward so you don't ruin your clock spring, and you know how to line up your new box. And I have this. So we're locked. Okay, undo that, undo these two, and it'll be coming out. So let's see if we can fit this through here. Yep. You know, before I cut that, I better make sure I don't need it. Oh, there we go. Man, getting fluid everywhere. Yeah, bro. So when you're straight with the steering wheel, unhook your steering shaft right there. I think it's a 13. So now we got the bolt out. All you have to do is just pull the shaft and make sure you had that steering wheel locked, and now we're undone. Now we'll just go down and do our 4 bolts. And we, well, definitely want to undo the track bar too. It makes it so much easier. Oh man. Come on, man. Corn pop. Okay. Ready to come out. This is always interesting. There's always wires right here. I always forget. So as you can see, that wire runs right around there. There's no way that big ass box is coming in through there. So unhook it there, hook it there, maybe yank the fitment. So yeah, we're gonna have to yank the pitman arm off. Inch and 5/16, if you're wondering. That's what I always use. Dump. Come on, man. There we are. Much more better. this light. Okay, we're out. Stay tuned for more.